Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss new fund offering of Axis Multicap Mutual Fund from Axis Mutual Fund House. Before we discuss about this NFO, let us understand some basic information about Axis Mutual Fund House. Axis Mutual Fund got established in the year 2009. Its headquarters is located in Mumbai, India. The official mutual fund house website is www.axismf.com. When you log into this website, you will be having variety of options which you can select for your investment. You can track your investment and you can create SIP and manage your account via this website. Axis Mutual Fund House is offering more than 136 varieties of mutual funds, which includes equity, debt, and hybrid and ETFs. Without any further delays, let us get started with the new fund offering of Axis Multicap Fund from Axis Mutual Fund House. The new fund offering has opened for subscription on November 26, 2021. It is going to close on December 10, 2021. Post NFO has been closed. The allotment will happen on December 16th, 2021. The NAV is going to be 10 rupees per unit. It is same for all the NFOs. This Axis Multicap Fund is going to be an open-ended fund. It indicates that even though you haven't subscribed within December 10th, 2021, you will be having option to get subscription after the allotment for all the new holders. As the fund name suggests, it is going to fall under equity multicap category. The main objective of this fund is going to be trying to generate long-term appreciation by investing in diversified portfolio. It indicates that it is going to get invested in stocks of all the caps, which includes large cap, mid cap, and small cap, and equity related instruments. The minimum investment required to get subscribed to this fund is going to be 5,000. In case you are going to be going ahead with SIP, after the allotment is completed, you can start your SIP of 1000 rupees onwards. The benchmark which it is going to be tracking is going to be Nifty 500 Multicap 50 25 25 index. It indicates that minimum 25% has to be invested in all caps. Let us look at the exit load associated with this fund. In case you try to redeem your amount within 12 months, for your first 10% of your investment, the penalty would be nil. For the remaining investment, 1% will be charged as penalty before the amount is paid back to you. Let us look at the fund manager who is going to manage our fund. There are two managers who are going to manage our fund, whose names are Anupam Tiwari and Sachin Jain. Both of them are having more than 10 years of experience in managing the funds. They manage equity, debt, and other categories of the funds. You can refer Axis Mutual Fund page to find out more details about them. Let us look into the risk associated with this fund. Since it is going to be an equity multi-cap fund, the risk is going to be very high. The risk is going to be same for most of the multi-cap funds. Let us clearly see the asset allocation pattern used by this fund. Minimum 25% will be invested in large cap stocks and minimum 25% will be invested in mid cap stocks. At the same time, 25% has to be allocated in small cap stocks. It clearly indicates that remaining 25% can be allocated dynamically based on the preference of the fund manager, but minimum 25% has to be allocated at all time in all categories. That is something that we have to keep it in our mind before we select this fund for investment. Let us quickly see who can consider investing in this Axis Multicap Fund. In case you are an investor who wants to have capital appreciation over long time, and you want to have portfolio diversification, which I mean that you want to get invested in all categories of stocks in Indian market, then this is the fund that you can choose to invest in. It is better to analyze the funds which are already performing well in this category before you choose this NFO. In this section, I will quickly show you some existing similar funds which are performing in a good manner in the multi-cap category. Now we have come to the end of the video. I hope you like this video. We have seen full details about Axis Multicap Fund NFO. I better advise you to have a look at the document that you can see directly in the Axis MF website. Please have a read through once before you choose this fund for your investment. Please subscribe for our channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.